What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the Grim Runner. We back at it again with another video, man. It's your boy Clef Mikado, and we coming with another modification to the Challenger. Now, this modification can actually be applied to both the Dodge Challenger and the Charger, because for the most part, the steering wheel is exactly the same. Now, if you watched my previous video, you saw that I initially ordered a carbon fiber part in a red that I thought was going to actually match the interior of my car, but that part ended up being burgundy, and it was a little bit of a false advertisement because the color on the actual ad was like a bright red carbon fiber. But I went ahead, returned that one. I got a new one that I ordered off of eBay, and I'm actually very ecstatic about this one because it actually matches the color of the car. So before we go ahead and jump into it, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment, join the community, man. We actually are almost at 300 subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of you guys, man. For those of you who don't know, man, like I said, man, this channel is really just about me having fun, modding my Challenger out, thinking about some other type of content that I can put on the channel that kind of sticks with the whole, car and automotive thing. But for the most part, man, we just having fun. We helping each other grow. So go ahead and hit the like button. And also, before we go ahead and jump into this modification, what I do want to do is an actual giveaway. Now, on one of my previous videos where we talked about I think it was my window, yeah, it was my window tint video, but that video, because my channel was still new, it actually didn't get picked up the way that that I thought it would, and I don't think that many people were able to actually see the video in its entirety and hear about the giveaway that I wanted to do. So we are actually going to do a modified giveaway on the channel, and what we are going to do is, if you subscribe to the channel, once we reach 500 subscribers, I'm just going to go ahead and shoot 50 bucks for a modification of your choice, man. There's a lot of dope modifications that you could actually get for your Dodge Challenger or Charger for 50 bucks and under. So that's going to be the giveaway. You guys are going to hear me talking about that giveaway in my next couple videos, and I just want to kind of just nail it on the head. Like I said, I'm looking to help out somebody in my community, because a lot of you guys actually have brand new Challengers and Chargers, and you guys are asking about modifications. So that's what I'm gonna do, man. Just something quick and easy, something simple. $50 giveaway to one of my subscribers. Once we reach 500, all you have to do is just drop a comment, let me know you heard about the giveaway, and we go pick somebody at random once we reach 500 subscribers. So I don't want to take too much of you guys' time. I want to go ahead and jump right into the install. So first, I'm going to go ahead and bust this box open really quick so you guys can see. And I actually already took the steering wheel, the bottom portion of the steering wheel out. So boom, you could actually see that this part right here pretty much matches the color of the car. So I'm really excited about this modification. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around. We'll clean the steering wheel down just a hair, and then we'll go ahead and jump into this modification, man. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I have a semi-damp paper towel where I'm actually just gonna wipe down and clean the area off really quick. Should be clean already for the most part. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off, and we're gonna clean around here just so we can make sure that adhesive sticks. And this should actually be pretty simple. The parts are very thin, so what I do have to say is that you want to be careful with bringing those actual parts and taking those parts out of the actual package, because they're pretty thin. So you want to be as gentle as possible. So I think we should be good here. Paper towel is damp. Let me just run ahead and go over it on the dry side, and I think we should be good to go. So we got this part here first. As you can see, cherry red, it matches the interior. So we're gonna go ahead and peel off this red tape. Okay, now So this is almost similar to the actual 345 badges that I did on the side of the car, where it has like this little thin strip of covering over the actual adhesive. So you have to be very gentle. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel these off really quick. Alright, got that one done. Start with this one. Boom. Alright, got that one. Alright, so we should be all in the green. So then you go ahead and place this right over the slot, and alright. And that looks pretty good. So we got the first portion of the modification on at the bottom, and at the end of the video I'm actually going to go over it so you guys could get a better angle. I just wanted to sit the camera down so I can make sure that I actually do not screw this particular mod up, but it's actually pretty simple for the most part. It's actually pretty simple. So as you can see how thin these parts are right here, so I'm actually going to be very careful with these parts. And actually, so you know what, before we even jump into this, let me see. Alright, so this is going to be my left side, and this part actually has a lot more tape than the others, than the bottom portion. So I'm going to be a lot careful with this. Dump that over there, take that off, dump that there. Oh yeah, this actually has a lot of the red tape on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and, oh yeah, this part, okay. So this part is definitely tricky, but it's actually easy. But the adhesive on this particular piece is extremely thin, so you want to be very careful. Oh, you know what, actually, okay, all right, that was pretty simple. The last piece actually all came out came out in one little part. So now before I stick this on here, I'm just gonna go ahead and go right over it, and boom, there we go. Oh yeah, that was actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Just go ahead and give it a light little press, make sure it's on there. Alright, and all we have is one more side to go, and I'm over here accidentally pressing buttons. Let me hit cancel real quick. Let me open up this last one. Yeah, this is actually pretty easy though, man. This is actually pretty easy. Like I said, you just have to be extremely careful pulling off the adhesive. And the description, of course, is going to be in the actual bottom, where you could actually get the, excuse me, the link. I'm over here trying to concentrate and talk at the same time. The link is going to be in the description below on where you could actually get this. And from what I'm seeing, you can get like yellow, they have blue, the red is prominent. They also have a lot of different carbon fiber. Bingo. All right, yeah, man, I'm talking too fast, and I'm trying to be careful with this adhesive, but for the most part, all right, got that one. All we have is two little pieces left, and you'll understand if you order this piece. You'll understand what I mean. Like, you actually have to be extremely careful with this, because it is like really paper thin, and that's why I'm trying to concentrate as hard as possible and get this pulled off. This last part is tricky. I might have to tackle it from the bottom. Yep, looks like that's gonna be a better bet than trying to get it from the top, because you'll actually peel the part that's supposed to stick on the steering wheel off if you pull it too hard. and bingo. So oops, let me turn that around. We got it all ready. Go ahead and pop this into place, make sure it's in the right spot, and bingo, there it is there. All right, I think we are golden. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this down lightly. I'm actually gonna turn this around so you guys could get a better look of what the actual steering wheel looks like from my angle, and actually it actually looks pretty good. I might have to do something about this chrome part. Not 100% sure what I want to do about it yet, but yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around so you guys can get an up close and get a better angle at this joint. Alright, you guys, now we are pretty much done, and we just go tackle it from this angle because I want you guys to see how that steering wheel pops against the actual interior of the car. Man, that looks absolutely amazing. That looks absolutely amazing. And like I said, this modification was only it was under $30 actually, $28.99. You can't beat that. And this looks much better than the one that I previously got finessed for. That was a more so of a burgundy color than a bright red. Yeah, this looks really good. I just want to show you guys a close-up of how that looks, how detailed it is. Doesn't look cheesy, doesn't look tacky. I think I'm gonna do something about this chrome though. I'm kind of not liking this chrome. Maybe I might do black carbon fiber around here or something like that. But yeah, man, absolutely looks good, man. So that pretty much wraps it up for this modification, man. The link for this part will be in the actual description. So if you like the video, make sure you drop a comment. Make sure you subscribe to the community if you're new to the channel. I try my best to drop a video every Wednesday and Friday at 1 p.m. But for sure, you're going to get a new video every single week at 1 p.m. And that pretty much wraps it up, man. You guys take care out there, and you guys have a blessed day.